I'm going to eat the refrigerator. Wow, it tastes like chicken.
I'm going to cook some turkey and mashed potatoes for tonight's dinner. Hey, where's the refrigerator? Caillou, where's the refrigerator?
I don't know, sir. It's probably in your butt.
No. First of all, you don't call me sir. I am your father. And second, where is the refrigerator? For crying out loud.
Okay, I admit it. I ate the refrigerator.
What? You actually ate the freaking refrigerator? Oh my god. Caillou, you little brat. How dare you eat the refrigerator? That costed $400. That's it. You are so grounded for eternity. To your home right now. I don't want to hear that from my employees. You have no name. Caillou, shut the fuck up right now. Your temper tantrums are starting to get old. And stop crying like a freaking 4-month-old. Grow up, you asshole.